Hey guys, welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. Right here in today's video, I'm going to show you how to go on to creating optical illusions images which are actually going viral right now on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube Shorts. And a lot of people are using that to get a lot of traffic to their pages or their platforms right there. I'm going to show you how you could just simply go on to creating some cool images such as that. And if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could go on to making money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could be helpful to you right now. So diving right back into the video right here, we're going to be utilizing this platform right now, and the link to this platform will be made available to you in the description of this video right now. And guys, this is actually a very cool platform in creating some kind of optical illusions images. But do not click off the video right here, because there's a caveat in this particular strategy right now utilizing this platform right here, which is the illusion diffusion. So guys, in order to do that right here, you just need to go on to drop in the image which you want to utilize right here, or for that particular illusion right now, or optical illusion image. So if I do come right here and I go on to selecting this image right here, which is actually money, I'm just going to come right here. As you can see, this is actually going to show you the illusion strength. The more you actually increase the illusion strength, the more it will be difficult to actually go on to finding this particular image right now, and the lower you reduce that, the more it will be easier to find that. So I'm just going to do try two images with two different illusion strengths. So if I do take this to about 3 illusion strength right here, and I just simply come right here in this section to paste in the prompt which I want to use for my image. Maybe I do go on to paste in something like underwater ocean landscape fish. For this section right here which says negative prompts, this actually indicates what you don't want to see in the image. So if I don't want to see stuff like low quality, I don't want to see that. I don't want to see stuff like sharks. So yeah, I'm just going to remove that, putting that right there, and putting as many things that you don't want to see in that section. For this advanced option, if you're actually new to AI, you just want to just simply leave this particular section the way it is. Then you just want to come right here, click on run. And if you do click on run right now, in some cases it's actually going to indicate that there are a lot of traffic right now on this particular platform right here. So you just need to go on to clicking the run over and over again till your image is actually going on to be getting created. As you can see, there's a queue right now. In some cases guys, you won't actually belong to this queue, but right now I'm on the queue. So you just want to wait right here until your image has actually been created. So that's the caveat right here. Make sure you do go on to clicking until you actually go on to joining the queue right now. As you can see right now, from the queue, I'm number 2 over 7 people, and in some matter of some seconds right here, as you can see, I'm number 1 right here on the queue. So in a short period of time, my image will actually get generated utilizing this platform. So the queue actually indicates that a lot of people are using this platform right now. As you can see, my image is actually being generated right here. So just simply wait on for a little bit and you'll be able to see the image right here that was actually generated with the help of this platform. So you can see the image right here was generated right here. And guys, this is a very cool one right here. The more you actually do squint your eyes right there, the more you'll be able to see the money sign right here, which you can see right now in this section. If you do squint your eyes, you'll be able to see the write up which says money right here from that particular image. So this is one cool one right here. What I'm going to do is download the image right here, and I'm just going to go on to reducing the illusion strength. So if I do reduce that to something like 0.5, and actually going to trying to create that particular image again. As you can see right here, I'm on the queue 7 over 7. So I'm just going to wait right here until this is actually done, or the image has actually been generated. So the image is actually being generated right now, and guys, from this image it's quite difficult to actually go on to finding the illusion, the particular word which says money right now. So you can see the difference between the two. The first one actually indicates that the more higher you increase this, the more easier it will be to get your illusion or to get that particular word right there. But if you reduce it more, the more harder it will be to go on to getting your write-up in that particular section. So another platform which you could utilize for this right here is this platform called the artsbreeder.com. This is an amazing platform which you want to just simply go on to utilizing right here You can actually sign up for the platform for absolutely free right now. All you need to do is to come right here, upload your image. If I upload the same image right there, and I actually come right here to paste in my prompt, and I'm just going to come right here, click on generate, and it's going to generate this particular illusion for me right now. So you just simply need to be patient a little on as this particular image is actually being generated. So you can see right here the image has actually been generated, and it is quite cool because I can actually see the write-up which says money. If you do squint your eyes, you'll be able to see the illusion of the write-up right there. So these are actually quite cool platform you want to just simply go on to utilizing. And I do hope the video has been of help to you. If yes, why not just simply leave a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.